Hello students, today we are understanding the concept of place value subtraction. As we have understood the place value addition, we are understanding place value subtraction. It's very simple. 74 can be written as 70 plus 4 and 23 can be written as 20 plus 3. When we have to subtract these two numbers, what we will do is instead of saying 7 minus 2, we will say 70 minus 20. The answer is 50 and 4 minus 3 is 1. We add these two numbers and the answer is 51. Let's take another example. What we will do is we'll start from here. Instead of saying 5 minus 4, answer is 1, 9. When you do 5 minus 4 and you speak only or you keep the number in your mind 1, but you forget when you do 9 minus 2 is 7, you forget what was the answer over here. But when we start from left, we'll say 90 minus 2 is 70. The moment you keep the mind 70, you keep the number 70 in your mind and you subtract the next pair of digits and the answer is 71. Let's do another example. It's very easy. 70 minus 40. 70 minus 40 is 30. The next is the moment you simply write 3 for 30, you have your answer with the next digit. It is 33. You can do another example. 80 minus 40 is 40. Next is you simply say 43. And when you are doing this in a calculation, you no need to write these numbers in the rough side. You simply look at your question. For example, it may be like this: 74 minus 33. So what you will do is 70 minus 30 is in the next line or whatsoever. 70 minus 30 is 40. The next is you write 41. This way you will carry forward your calculations and that will be very easy for you to do. There is one more situation when you have a number at the above end is smaller. For example, if you have 93 and 47, how you will do? 90 can be written as 90 plus 3 and 47 can be written as 40 plus 3 plus 4. Just check it up. 7 जो है उसमें से हम जितना भी above नंबर है उसको सेपरेट कर लेंगे और बाकी को लिख देंगे. ठीक है. So what you will have is 90 minus 40 is 50. 3 minus 3 will be 0 and you are yet to subtract this 4 from 50, which will be 46. How will you do this? Out of 50 you take out 10 and come up with the answer 40. Whatever is 10, you subtract 4 from that 10 and write 6 over here, that is 46. It may seem a bit tedious for you, but when you do calculations the things become very easy. I'll do one more example for you. 83 and 48. So what you will do is you have to do subtraction. So it is 80 plus 3. No need to write this rough work. This was only a rough work and no need to write. You can do all this in your mind. So from this 8 you have to take out 3 and you are left with 5. You should be very good in doing this, breaking up the numbers or assembling them to get the tens. So it is 80 minus 40 will be 40. 3 minus 3 is 0. What you have is you are still to subtract 5 out of this. So 40 minus 5 is 35. And you do all this in oral work. For example, it is written like this. That is 72 minus 54. So what you will do is 70 minus 50 is 20. You just come up with a 2 2 more to be subtracted from 20. The answer is 18. You can have another example. 70 minus 30 is 40. 6 and 7. You are yet to subtract 1 from that. So 40 minus 1 is 39. That you do it orally. The whole sole purpose of giving this series of Vedic mathematics is to make your calculation faster, accurate, and with no rough work mess over here. Thank you.